It's gonna be the first video, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how the lighting is low key, but I'm about to remove all the badges on this freaking car. You know? Like all the freaking things. I don't know. Hey, we about to try something. I don't know, man. I got the freaking fishing line. I got the heat gun and the drill for the attachment. Yeah, this is the emblem. Yeah. So I'm about to, oh, and I got these too. Hold on. So, those. And I'm about to put these on. Oh, I'm gonna put these on and see. I'm gonna see what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Okay, I just did this. I am by no means a professional. I should have put one right here too. And right there, but okay, we're gonna see. And then this. I did that one. And I did.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
This one. I'm about to freaking. I already did the front. I'm not gonna lie. Probably should have made a video on that. But I changed this. I have a grill coming, a black grill, an RS grill for that. So whenever that comes, I'm put that. And I want to change these to carbon fiber. And this shit look dirty as hell. Man. Don't worry about it. So I'm about to freaking. I'm about to apply this. What the freak? I'm about to apply this to it, and then use the fishing line. Try to see if it comes off with the heat gun as well. I'm about to try and see if it come off. I am not a professional. I'm not gonna lie. That shit. But you want to make sure you clean it. Apparently, I was watching YouTube videos. You gotta clean it and then put the tape. I cleaned it. I put the tape. All right. So I'm about to see. Not gonna lie. It came off way easier than I thought it would. Now, I think all I have to do is clean this off. Yeah, all I have to do is clean this off. Then use the roller. Okay, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna see. All right. Alright, after like freaking 6 hours, finally did it. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm about to put this on. Hold on. Yeah, I'm about to put this on. Hold on. Alright, so I took this off. It looks like that. Now I'm about to change that one too. But I'm not gonna lie, that should look good. It took a minute, but look good. And the sun's going down too. Alright, this is the after. Not gonna lie. Should look good. I'm not gonna lie. And then the sun. Oh, I might get next one. I'm not gonna lie, that should look way better than before. What the
The next day.
Alright, it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, it was too hot. I'm not going to lie. But look what just came, bro. The freaking This shit. Let me see. That shit just came. I'm not gonna lie. So low key look. Yeah. Yeah. Now I gotta take this shit off. And I still gotta do these, both of them, to make them black. God damn. And it's hot. It's so hot. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. I just took it off. I'm not gonna lie, it was empty to take off. I gotta clean this off. Alright. Damn, that shit. It came off easily. I think that was the easiest part. It was way easier than this, I'm not gonna lie. This was the easy one. This was the wing, the trunk spoiler, whatever you call it, was way easier than the actual emblem. I don't know why. It came off so easily. But now I'm about to put the tape. I'm about to put this tape on there and then get right back. Alright. This is what I did. Man, it ain't straight, but it's straight. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to put it on, see what it look like. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I'm not gonna lie. What the freak? How does that? You can't tell me that shit don't look fire? What? Come on. That shit look fire. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. It's like, I low-key think I messed up just a little bit. Maybe. I'm not sure. Just by like the tiniest bit. But hey, man, that should look good though. I'm not gonna lie. I mess with it. Yeah. Well, I just finished doing the badges as well, the V6. That shit's so dirty. Oh my god. Look at that. I did the badges on both sides. All that's left. All that's left is this. And the grill. I think I'm gonna change this badge too, so it's black. I'm gonna do a chrome delete All that chrome, yeah. Don't even worry about it. That shit looks so nice. I'm not gonna lie. The wind from the side. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If I can do it, I promise you. If I can do it, you can do it too. That shit was so simple. That shit look good too. Makes it look way better. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's the YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? I might do more content. I don't know what type of content I'm gonna do. But I do wanna get a tune eventually. And see. That's just nice. Yeah, I mess with it. But yeah, that's the YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? Everything was simple. The badges, the spoiler. This was the hardest thing. I think out of everything I did, that was the hardest freaking part. I don't know why. The freaking wing was so easy. Damn. Hell yeah, man. Motivator. Yeah. And then I want to change these. Those are messed up. I want to chrome delete these. I think I'm going to get a carbon fiber diffuser. Hey, man. More content on it. That's all I'm going to say. You know what I'm saying? But that's the YouTube video, man. Alright. I guess like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Some shit. Alright.